So you're going? No.
I am going to steal. Are you kidding me?
Put your hands up on the ceiling now. On the ceiling. Venture. Stand to that. Listen, if you move, I'm gonna tase you. I'll idle. Face the door and you get out. Stop! 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 What you do? Turn off the car! Turn off the car! Turn the car off!
I'm coming in! I'm coming in, please!
It's your fault, dude.
Okay.
You get out of the car and he might leave, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Is his car started?
I can't tell. I'm driving.
Alright.
Oh yeah, it's Buddy. Yep, it's him. He leaned back. Yep, same hair, same everything. It's him. Hold on, stay on the phone.
Oh. Yeah, keep that plate number and everything, see if you can.
I can't see it. There's a garbage can right in front of him. He sees me. Write this down. DMK
Go.
9234. It's him. He's about to take off. Come out the car. Don't do anything. Stop. Stop the car. Turn it off. Turn it off. Okay. What's your name?
What's up?
Do you have a warrant for your arrest? You do? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Turn around for me.
What's
Be
going
cool.
on?
Just turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I talk to my people?
I'll let you talk to everyone. Let me just make sure you're good to go, okay?
Good to go like what?
Just put your hands behind your back, okay? Don't do anything stupid, please.
I'm not.
Okay.
Sir. This is about traffic?
Yeah. You were bonded out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I know. Just be cool and I'll tell them you were cool. And they should be cool with you, okay?
I get whatever money I got. Man.
All right, let me talk to my boss. I got him on the phone.
I work every day, sir. I just got off.
Come over here.
See the XPO shirt, man? I'm sweating, man. I just wanted to go to the store.
Okay. Sit right here. Let me just talk to my boss because I might be able to let you go. Okay. Hello? What's his name? Stefan, right? Yeah, I got him. Okay. Come over here. I'm gonna have you sit in my passenger and then let me talk to him. See what we can do.
Please, man. Please.
Because it's a traffic ticket, right?
Yeah, the last time they jammed me up, man.
Hold on.
When they took the bond from me, that's why I don't have any money. From
I get it.
bonding out. And I messed up. I started the payment plan on the ticket.
You can start that up too. Hold on. Let me just. Because it's a traffic ticket, right? Like you said.
Just like that's the.
You don't got nothing on you?
Nah.
What's this, your ID?
Probably just some money in a credit card.
Do you got your ID on you or no?
No, it's in a car.
Okay, I'm gonna leave that on you. What's
Just
in here?
more money.
Okay, go ahead, have a seat. Hold on, let me. Is this him?
Yeah, that's him.
All right, let me call you.
Alright.
Hold on, boss. Where's your warrant out of?
Ferndale.
Yo, I got him, but I don't have no paperwork. Okay. Okay, bye. You don't got nothing in the car? You got your keys?
Did you get my phone? My keys are right here.
I'll grab your phone.
You just lock it for me?
Yeah. He said he'll meet you at the police let me see your keys. At the police station, and he might bond you out again.
Could I get some more money out of there, man?
I'll grab it for you.
It's right inside the door.
Okay.
The driver door right there.
Okay. your phone.
Also, that's my bike right there on the grass. Could I just push it up on the house, or you do it from right up on the porch, right? Just push it up further close to it. Been working every day, man.
Yeah, he said he'll see how much your bond is and he'll go from there. I'm gonna set this right here. I'm gonna have to count that too for you.